Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add Spotify to your Opera GX browser. Now, as you can see, this is how it will look like in your Opera GX browser. This is basically a sidebar on your Opera browser. So here I found one great Reddit basically on Opera browser, and what you need to do is you need to basically go to this URL right here. Once you go to this URL, you will need to enable the flag and restart Opera, right? Then you can go to the bottom of the sidebar, right? And you can click three dots, and then you can basically scroll down to the custom site panels, and you can add OpenSpotify.com as a panel. So on Opera GX, you need to add panels, right? And these panels are basically kind of like widgets. And then you can add this as a panel, and then you will have it basically as a Spotify panel or widget on your Opera GX browser. It's fairly simple. I didn't want to download Opera to show you this because it's very, very simple. But obviously you need to download the Opera GX to do this. So yeah, that's basically how to do it. And by the way, these URLs, you can just copy and paste this into your Opera GX browser. And that's pretty much it. And then you just enable the flag, restart Opera, and then click three dots at the bottom sidebar, custom site panels, and add Spotify as a custom site panel. So that's basically it, guys. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.